Once you close your eyes, I would like for you to find something that bothers you. Maybe you're sad about your dog, what's happening, right? Anahita, so close your eyes, connect to that. Maybe you're struggling in a relationship with your parents, maybe with your children, maybe with your significant other. You want to close your eyes and fully connect to that problem that you feel is in your heart, is in your soul, somewhere in your body. And feel it. Raise your hand if you didn't connect to any problem at all.
Can we connect multiple?
But maybe it's connected to the same feeling of pain or fear or shame. Connect to that if you can, okay?
But if it's not fear, shame on earth, if it's just you don't understand the situation.
Connect to confusion, and behind the confusion is fear. So connect either to confusion, or if you can't, to the source, the fear. And then I would like for you to connect also to the source. And the source could be the infinite light. To some it's a higher power, to some it's God, however you want to. Connect to it and feel how this infinite source, this infinite power is pouring this unconditional love to you. And allow yourself to open your soul and your heart to it. Maybe before you were scared to receive love because you had to earn it, because you didn't trust somebody, because they hurt you. But to this infinite light, you trust. You don't need to earn love from him. He's giving it to you unconditionally. And as you're starting to feel this infinite love in your soul chakra, in your heart, start to see what's shifting in your body. What's happening? Maybe that problem that you were thinking about earlier, maybe it's fear, maybe it's pain, maybe it's shame, whatever that you're struggling in life is starting to get lighter. Because when you tap into the love, you're starting to feel whole. You start to feel complete. That nothing is wrong there, all is well. And all of your insecurities start to dissipate. And as you continue to grow with this infinite light in your body, now try to connect it on your physical body. And maybe for the first time to allow yourself to relax and let go. And allow this relaxation for the first time in your life to permeate your body. You felt as a tense ball all your life because you had to prove somebody. Whether it's your parents, your significant other, society, friends, that you're worthy. And now you don't have to worry, you don't have to prove anything because you are this whole person, whole and complete. And because you're whole and complete, you're letting go. You're detaching. You're feeling just one with light that is there fully for you. And now, as you're starting to feel whole and complete with this infinite light, you're realizing that you don't need to do anything to anyone to please or to prove anyone that you're good, that you're beautiful, that you're smart enough, that you're perfect the way you are. And maybe for the first time, now, you're really connecting to this compassion and love within you that wants to just serve others. Because when you're whole and complete, you can serve not because you want to earn their love or their approval, but because you want to just do good deeds. Serve your community, strangers and people. And you see, when you're full of this infinite light, you let go of people who've been hurting you, who've been devaluing you, who've been putting you down. And because you're detaching from them, you have the sources, you have the space in life that brings people who really values you, who really appreciates you for your feminine qualities, and for men is masculine qualities. For women it's just being gentle and kind and loving and loyal and calm and soft and caring. And for men it's the quality of being brave, courageous, action-oriented, making the decisions, being strong, protecting, and providing. And because you feel right now whole and complete, you're not competing with anybody. You just acknowledge your existence, and your soul finally feels at peace, that is connected to the source that gives this infinite light, infinite love that you've been waiting all your life from people who didn't have enough and who couldn't give you enough. And now, when you connected on a both emotional and physical level to this feeling of love, and you're feeling whole and complete, you want to acknowledge for giving you this feeling of love. And then I would like for you to turn to two people who gave you the birth. No matter how many mistakes they have made, they give you life. And by turning to them, you want to give your appreciation to them for giving you their life. Maybe that's all you can acknowledge them for. And it's okay to acknowledge them for that. But if you see you can acknowledge them for going through the challenges in life with you, for supporting you, for raising you, or anything else, acknowledge them. By acknowledging them, you give acknowledgement also to yourself and the right to your existence. And by doing that, you also give them the respect. They've been waiting for that deed of appreciation and respect all their life. And you can just respect them maybe for only giving you the life. Do that. And if you respect them for anything else, do that as well. And once you acknowledge them and appreciate them, and they feel your respect, you can start slowly shifting back to you, to your center, and acknowledging yourself for doing something critical and important for yourself right here, right now. And knowing that this infinite source of light that carries this love, infinite unconditional love that can heal anything, is there for you every day, any moment. And you can start slowly shifting back to here and now, knowing that you can go back to this infinite love at any point in your life. And you're not alone. That all is gonna be well. And on your time, when you're ready, you can open your eyes and feel present, clear, good, and ready to continue your day. If you want to share how this exercise was for you, you can. If you don't, that's okay as well.
I feel very balanced. Don't want to rush into these things. Just like to be.
Yes, right? Were you able to absorb the relaxation throughout your body? Yeah. Were you able to detach from pleasing people who are toxic to you? Yes. Giving yourself permission, right? Were you able to do that? Good. Anahita, I know your dog is sick. Do you want to go down or you want to stay with us? Because it's painful. You're worried about your puppy. What do you want to share so you can be present?
It wasn't just my, it was an interesting experiment, but it wasn't just my dog that I was thinking of. Since all the people that are with my that I love.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for sharing. Eileen, do you want to share?
Yeah, no, it was beautiful. The acknowledging of the parents, it's something I've been practicing. Some days it's harder than others, but I really, I will push myself to go there, as we all should, those days.
It's not about should. It's gonna come naturally. As you're gonna continue filling yourself up with love, you're gonna naturally would wanna acknowledge them. Even if they were so bad. By the way, there's no such a thing as a good parent. Everybody made mistakes. Nobody's perfect. There's no such a thing. But we can acknowledge them for giving us light. And then if anything else that they did, we want to acknowledge them. And when we acknowledge them, it's a beautiful miracle that starts to happen. We're no longer victims around them.
Absolutely.
And we give also acknowledgement to ourselves. We're giving existence to ourselves and all of the good qualities, because they don't just have bad qualities, they also have good qualities. We're starting to get present to those good qualities as well. But it's a process.